welcome to ION Reporting, Report Creation Part 1. In this video, we'll discuss selecting date ranges, customer and item fields, additional fields and report figures, the selectors, and how to load and save layouts. First, let's talk about date ranges. After a report has been selected, an option to select a range of dates to run the report over is enabled. Click the Date Selection panel on the left side to open up the date selector. Choose a date range by clicking the checkbox next to the standard date range. You can also click a blue custom date range link near the bottom of the panel to specify your own range of dates. The year selector at the bottom of the panel will report the specified date range repeated over the last number of years specified. The cutoff date selector allows for partial date selection. Let's take a look at customer and item fields. When you select an applicable report, the customer and item panel will allow you to change the fields the report will show. For each field, checking the box next to it will show or hide the data the next time the report is refreshed. Some of these fields have a small plus box next to them. Clicking the plus box will expand the data field, showing the nested fields within. You can choose only a few of these if you like, or all of them by clicking the checkbox next to the plus sign. There is also an option to break out alt packs for items. Toggle on and off at the bottom of the customer and item panel. Now we'll talk about additional fields and report figures. Some reports have additional miscellaneous fields associated with them. These will appear when the report is chosen at the bottom of the report output window. You can toggle on and off these additional fields by clicking a checkbox next to them. Some reports will also have additional figures that can be included, found in the report figure on the left-hand side of the panel. These are selected by clicking a checkbox next to them and will appear the next time the report is refreshed. Next, we'll talk about how to select certain customers and products. The customer and product selector at the bottom of the screen can be used independently to run the report for a specific set of customers or products and function much the same way. Clicking the arrow on the top left of the selector box will open them. Type in or find the record you want to filter the report on and click the checkbox on the left to select it. You can exclude records by clicking the Show Exclude panel on the top right. When you've chosen your record, click the X on the top left to close it. Finally, we'll talk about how to save and load ION report layouts. You can save the option and modification you have made to the report by saving the layout. Click the Save Layout button at the top right of the screen to give the report a name and a description. Once you are done, click the Add button at the bottom right of the window. To reload the report on a later date, click the Load Layout button. Find the layout you want and click OK. This completes ION Reporting, Report Creation Part 1. Thanks for watching. For more information, be sure to check out eoStar Wiki and eoStar University.